What is fragmentation and what is regeneration? If we look at their definition, then fragmentation is when an organism breaks into smaller pieces and each piece upon maturation give rise to new individual, for example, Spirogyra. And what is regeneration? Regeneration is when an individual is somehow cut or broken down into many pieces and some of these pieces grow into a new individual. Examples are Hydra and Planaria. They sound very similar when we look at their definition, but there is a subtle difference. And what is the difference? See, the difference is in fragmentation, the organism breaks into pieces on its own. Whereas in regeneration, the organism has to be cut down by some external force into pieces and then only it can grow into a new individual. My name is Shivansh and I will give you many more such insights in the crash course that we are launching in the month of December for grade 10 CBSE students. So I will wait for you for more such interesting topics. See you there.